Hi, I'm Scott Bradford with the Rio Grande Tech Team, and today I'd like to talk to you about why we recommend laser gold saw blades. Now, as much as I would love to have perfect sawing technique all the time, with my back straight, my blade is perpendicular to the metal, and smooth up and down strokes, sometimes my blade can start to waver back and forth a little bit, and that flexing is what causes the blade to break. The benefit of the laser gold saw blades is that they've undergone a special manufacturing process that gives it the best balance of hardness for a strong blade with less chatter, smoother cutting, combined with added flexibility so it doesn't break as often. It saves me money in the long run, and I'm not constantly changing blades. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us.